Hello again guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Discord bot. For starter, open google.com, then search Discord developer, and you can see the Discord developer application. Click the first link, then log into your account if you have one, then click applications, then click new applications, then click new applications, then name it whatever you want. Then I will name it tutorial bot. You're gonna choose the personal or your team if you have a team. I recommend you make it personal if you want that. And then you choose a good picture, any of good picture that you made or found, and just upload there. Then click save, and here you can here's your picture, and here you can change the name, and here's the description. Now here's the invite place, and here is the place where you can start your bot. Now click add bot, and yes, do it. And now here's a token, your bot's token, and you can regenerate by clicking the regenerate button and clicking OK. Now you can see this thing over here. And now when you close it, the invite becomes unavailable only to you. And when you activate it, the invite becomes available to everyone. And let's just put that on. You can read this message. And now let's see. This is your token. Then click save changes if you modified some changes. Now let's go to here and click bot, and you can click any permissions you want for the invite, and I'll just simply click some. Okay. Administrator. Okay, now let's just click copy, then open a new tab, then paste it in. Now find your server, and then click authorize. Then oh, is this a bug? I'll just answer the verification. If it says traffic lights, just find all the things that look like traffic light, and you'll be verified. And now, as you see, how about this here? It didn't have any. That's the copy version. And wait a minute. Didn't have any comments, and look, it's offline, as I can see. Now just create a new file, a new txt file. Name it anything you want, but let's name it bot here and change the txt into py, so that becomes a Python file. And now first, we need to type import Discord, and also you need to install pip, the Python pip to run this Discord command prompt on your computer. And also remember to install pip install Discord on your command prompt. And then let's type from discord.etx import commands. And then let's see this. Okay, and then slide that command spot, and now here's the prefix, and command that thing and the prefix. Oh, oopsies. Let me back to the point. Okay, now I think we just do something. Okay, yes, we didn't. Now you can just leave it blank if you don't want it to have any prefix. Just run it like with disrupting your messages all the time. You can just put it any prefix you like, but please don't put the prefix that's not good for you if it doesn't work. Want to make it, let's just put it the dot here. Let's just set the dot here as our prefix. Then here's the sign. If you want your bot to be run, then dot run. Now quote and marked, and then now let's head back here. Oopsies. Okay, done. Now let's just copy the token here and let's regenerate the token and copy the token. Then go to the point and paste your token there. And you can see, let's just save that file and let's see that prefix over there, and then sign dot event, so it'll notify you when the bot is online. This was cdef on ready. Put the code there. Then okay, now type print. Bot is ready. Okay, this is good for the bot. And then okay, let's save the file. Then run the bot. Wait a minute, that didn't notify you, but it just being online. Oh, oopsies. Let me back up. Okay, look at that. It's online, because you just did that. And if the Discord reset your token, you need to change that. You need to check your token like every 2 days or 3 days, because it might change. Okay, something's wrong with this event. Wait, let me see. Let me check. Let me think for a while. We didn't put the code there. Wait, is it the code or not? Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot to put that thing there. Now let's just make the first command. Now follow me carefully. Now save the file and then go out, then click the thing. Just restart your CMD. Just close the command prompt, then open the command prompt again. Let's just see. Let's type .test. Wait, something's not quite right. Let's go back to the code. Let's just check. Oh, yeah, when you see this, that means your body's ready. Let's head back to this comment. Oh, yeah, the first time you got the comment, it might take a while. Now let's just run it again. Test, oh good. That test, oh good. That test, oh good. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Please subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.